Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, on today's video, I'm going to show you a super cool trick. Actually, it's a classic trick from the 60s. It's using the LA2A and the 1176 together, to get your vocals better situated in your mixes, all right? So how this works? As you know, the 1176 is a fast compressor, all right? So that will help you to control all the peaks of the vocals. But sometimes will not help you to the overall of the vocals. This is the case when the LA2A come here in action to help you to control the overall of the vocals, all right? So in the graphic way, how this works, for example, on the meter, the 1176 is gonna acting like this in the meter, super fast, just for the peaks, and the LA2A is gonna acting like this, for the overall of the vocals in the middle, of course, And before continue, don't forget to give me a like, to subscribe, to share this, to comment too, and also to join to my new email list. I'm going to share my QR here or there, okay? And yeah, so if you enjoy right now, I will give you my own personal coupon. It's a 10% off for the all BB audio plugins, all right? And also in the future, I'm going to make only sales, only discounts for recording and mixing. Only for the people who want to join there, all right? And by the way, I don't know when I'm going to release this video, but I'm going to be in tour with Municipal Ways together with Enforce and At the Gates, all right? So I'm going to share all the dates here or there. So if you're living in those cities, please come to the show and say hello and don't be a weirdo, okay? So yeah, and now continue with the video. Okay, so we are here in front of Pro Tools. As you see, the band today is Material Boy. It's the same band I used from the last video, okay? And yeah, we're going to focus on the vocals. And I'm going to put the vocals in the mix and also solo. And I'm going to back and forth, with all the process and then without the process, okay? But just in case I will not talk, and then you just to pay attention what's going on the screen. All right, so this is the 1176 plugin. And for this situation, I using like a almost slow attack and kind of a small release, radius 12, and the meter is gonna be around here, and the meter on the LA2A is gonna be around this area. Okay, so let's see how this sounds.
Social skills been acquired. There's no vibrance when I'm cured in a constant state of distress. Self-inflicted, hated corpse. Social skills been acquired. There's no vibrance when I'm cured in a constant state of distress. Self-inflicted, hated corpse. You pray for the sick and you don't know shit. You sit around and talk with them. You pray for the sick, you don't know shit. You sit around, talk with them. No venture for a soiled end. Left and speak of walking dead face. No venture for a soiled end. Left and speak of walking dead face. Social skills get acquired. There's no vibrance when I'm cured and a constant state of distress. Self-inflicted.
All right, super cool trick, right? Just in case you can use only plugins too. And yeah, and that's all for today. Don't forget to give me a like, to subscribe, to share this, to comment, to join in my email list too. Okay. And yeah, if you're going to the show, on the tour, I said before, don't be shy, don't be weird, and say hello. Okay. So yeah, bye guys, see ya.